Check in, my beautiful subscribers. Today I will be doing some chicken in the air fryer, guys. I went ahead of time, clean it up and season it up, guys, and I stuff all of my natural seasoning inside of the belly area and between the skin, guys. Onion, scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme, and I sprinkle some parsley, and I'll be using some butter sauce. That's what you're seeing on the top, butter sauce. I use some cayenne pepper also, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the air fryer and I'm gonna just roast or bake it, guys. Okay, and I will be doing some potato salad, not potato salad, some macaroni and cheese with some white rice for our Sunday dinner. Okay, more blessings to everyone. Remember to watch all of my videos, guys. Watch it to the end and remember to subscribe. One love. Stay tuned for the finished product. Again, my beautiful subscribers. So now I have my chicken that has been marinated for about 30 minutes. I went ahead and grated my cheddar cheese and some mozzarella cheese. And I have some seasoning, fresh seasoning that I'm gonna add to my macaroni and cheese. I'll be using this one, guys, and I will be showing you guys how I do my homemade mac and cheese. Okay, guys, so stay and watch until the end of the video. So I'm gonna put my chicken inside of my air fryer at 350 degrees for about less than 30 minutes, and we're gonna let it brown on both sides and cook properly, guys. So stick around for all of that. One love. Okay, my beautiful subscribers, I'll be using some almond milk, and I'm using the powdered milk form, guys. And I will be adding an egg inside here because I'm making macaroni and cheese. So I'm just taking you guys along. And you don't want your macaroni to overcook or anything, guys. Okay? So I'm gonna take it off the heat shortly, guys. Just whip it up, guys. Okay, let me show you guys the macaroni, and I'm gonna take it out shortly because I don't want to overcook it or anything, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my homemade mac and cheese. Stay for the finished look. One love. Check in again, my guys. Now drain off the excess water off of my macaroni. I add a little salt inside there, and I'm gonna add a package of powdered cheese inside there as well. Okay, and I'm gonna just mix it around. I want it to be cheesy, you know, guys, so I'm putting a lot of cheese inside there, adding in some butter, unsalted butter I'll be using. Just mix it around like that. Adding in my onion, sweet pepper, tomato, and some scallion inside there as well. Hands are clean. Give it a stir like that. Stirring it up, guys. Look at it, guys. And then I'm gonna add a little at a time of my milk, almond milk, and my one egg, guys. Okay, so you just drizzle around, guys. And you don't want your eggs to cook, okay, before time. You don't want to see any curdle or anything, guys. I want it to be cheesy, guys. Okay, so you just take your time and add in all of that egg and milk inside. You could just use the yolk, the yellow part, but I used everything, guys. Okay, so just mix it up like that, guys. Then I'm going to just add a little all-purpose seasoning for a little more taste. We don't want it to add too much salt and stuff in there, guys. Add a little black pepper. Okay, I love black pepper, little spice inside there. Give it a stir again, guys. Then I'm gonna add some cheese inside there. And then I'm going to drizzle some on top of it as well, guys. And I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. I want it to be cheesy, guys. So smelling real good. Look at it, guys. Look at that. And I'm going to pour it out in a casserole dish. And I'm going to bake it, guys, for about 25 minutes until it's golden brown at the top, guys. Okay? And I'm going to add a little parsley inside there as well. Parsley flakes. So we love the flavor of it too, guys. Let me open the bigger part. Just drizzle on some of my parsley flakes inside there. Give it a stir. Look at that beautiful color, guys. And I don't even bake it as yet, but you could eat it like this, guys. It's smelling very nice, cheesy, guys. So I'm gonna just get my casserole dish. I'm just gonna just drizzle it inside there, guys. You notice that my cheese is melted away. Okay. So we're just gonna pour it in, guys. Hope you guys are seeing it. Pepper as well inside there, onions, you name it. Like that, guys. Trying to take out everything, all of the juice, guys, from the cheese. Just adding it there. Okay. Just remove this. Okay, do it like that. At this point, I'm gonna grate some toasted bread over it, and then I'm gonna add some cheese, guys. So what I did, I toast. You could use breadcrumbs, but I went ahead and just toast up some bread, guys. Okay. Going to add some cheese all over it, like that. Get the cheese everywhere. And then I'm going to just grate the rest of my bread. Look at that, guys. Just drizzle it. Sprinkle it all over with the two color. Big piece of mozzarella right there. Wow. It's gonna be so delicious and cheesy. Lots of cheese, guys. So amazing. This is so tasty, guys. This is what you call mac and cheese. Okay. Let me just grate some breadcrumbs in the supermarket, guys. It's just can toast your own bread. You can use the fresh bread to do it. Okay. So easy, guys. Not gonna put up too much bread inside there, and then I just drizzle it all over like that. Look at that, guys. So it's gonna have that crust look at the end. Okay. That's it. And then I'll just sprinkle some more of my parsley all over it again, guys. Like that. this. I'm gonna clean up afterwards, guys. Look at my macaroni and cheese. And I'm gonna just put it now in the oven to bake now, guys. I'm finished doing this thing, guys, okay? Stick around for the finished look of my macaroni and cheese and chicken with some white rice. One love, thumbs up again for Vibrant Style JA. Checking again, my beautiful subscribers. Look at my chicken, it's coming, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little honey, drizzle some honey, and I'm gonna just add some more gravy inside there. We're almost ready to consume our dinner, guys. Okay, so I just want the beef, not the beef, the meat, the breast. I want it a little bit more tender, guys. Almost there. So I'm just gonna add a little honey over it. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna drizzle. You could use sugar if you want to use sugar. Okay, but I want that sweet, natural taste, guys. Okay, and the honey is much natural and good for you guys. Okay, let's drizzle it all over. Okay, it's gonna go on the other side from the juice, guys. Gonna just run all over, and then I'm just gonna add my seasoning, the sauce from the chicken. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more water inside there, just a little tip, and it will do this. Okay. Okay. So next time when I check it back, you guys gonna see how beautiful my chicken is, guys. Look at it. Wow. Let me zoom it in for you guys. Look at that. Okay. It's gonna be honey buttered chicken done inside of the air fryer, guys. Okay, so stick around for the finished look. And the macaroni and cheese is baking at the moment, and I put on my rice, so it soon finish cooking now, guys. So you guys will see the final presentation. One love again.